Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Sid and you are rolling with me. So, I have a video. You guys like, you guys subscribe, you guys share, you guys hit the notification bell so you know when I post another video and all of that. I got something in my beard. But anywho, this video is a video of me installing my locks, putting my locks back in. This is going bye. So I'm gonna put my locks back in. They've been out for like a year. I'm gonna put them back in for maybe a year. I don't know. I like to switch up. Everybody knows that. But that's my business. But anywho, I'm making it y'all business because I'm putting it on camera. But anywho, this video is that. So it's gonna be little clips of me installing, showing, I guess, well, not showing, it's not a how-to, but if you watch it, you can understand. People that do hair or whatever, they'll understand what I'm doing. So I'm not teaching you how to do it. I'm just, doing it. But you guys stay tuned to the video, and this process is gonna be long for me, but short for you. So tune into the video, and if you like it, like it. If you don't, keep pushing. Anywho, be back in 3, 2, 1. I'm also a little bit upset too because I didn't win the Impala SS from Stunner Reese, and I didn't win the 300 from CJ on 32s. But somebody won this, in my family, they last name Phillips won CJ's, and then the third place in Stunner, last name Phillips, won, won that. So I'm happy for y'all. Congratulations, and keep doing what you're doing. Keep entering into those raffles. You know what I'm saying? One day you might win. One day you might have a Kavari like me. Keep doing it. Just take a chance on yourself. Anywho, but yeah, congratulations to those winners or whatever. But I didn't win either one of those, but next one, it's probably gonna be me again. Me, because I'm number one. Never number two. So these are the locks that I'm gonna put back in. They're the locks. These are the tools that I use to put back in. This little crochet hook, this is the 3-1, that's the 2-prong, and I'm gonna color them. So this is the Blonde Door Bleach and Developer. And I got my gloves over there, and this is just in case I want to do something extra. But this is it. Putting them back in. there. Fold it. So that's what they look like after I bleached them, after I lifted it up. And now I'm gonna take and put Princeton by Red and African Valley. Last one. Money, 61. So far I only done 4. 2, 4. It's gonna be an all-day thing. I need some help. I got all these ones left. Back there, over here. All these. So, this is the end result here. These are the Locs back in. 2-strand twisted them. My Locs are back. Back. They back like magic. Voila. So that concludes this video. I done just put it up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But that's the end of this video. And I had some left over because I changed the pattern. I made it a little bit thicker. My parts a little bit thicker, so I ain't have to use all of them like I did the last time. So, you guys have a great week. And I will see you guys on the next video. Whatever that video may be. But I'm back in the Loc gang.